Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a warning video. As you'll see, the Federal Trade Commission in the United States has issued a warning that, 2023 breaks the record for fraud and the amount of money lost. So they issued a little chart here to show that the losses from 2019 to 2023 have moved from a median loss of $3,000 to $7,000. And of course, there's all sorts of frauds out there. $10 billion reported lost. This is crazy. And 2.6 million frauds reported. So this is pretty crazy. Of course, investment scams and all sorts of other types of scams. Losses to business imposters also climbed. So, someone calling from, saying that they are from a bank or from maybe your cable or internet provider, or my sister got actually caught with this type of scam, calling from the cable company, saying that something was wrong with her account and that she needed to pay a small amount because there was a problem. And of course, she got scammed out of several $1,000s. Do not answer and give information to anybody calling you. It's as simple as that. If you follow this simple rule of anybody sending you a message, an email, a text message, or calling you on the phone, if you just give zero information, you already are going to be fine. It's as simple as that. No, if somebody calls and says it's from the cable company, from your bank, whatever, you say, I'm going to hang up and we'll call my bank right now. Even if he insists that he's from the bank and that you shouldn't do that, you do it. You hang up and you call the company or the bank or whoever is supposedly calling you. And you'll see that 99.9999% of the time, they never did call and you don't have any issues or any problems. So just make sure that you look at your accounts right. If it's credit card, whatever, maybe somebody calling you saying, oh, there's a fraudulent activity on your card, go and check your card online with the way that you usually do. Never give passwords. Never give personal details of payments over the phone, over email, over text message to anyone. Never give information about payments online unless you are the one that is actually going into an account and starting something new. Do not fall for the scammers. So $10 billion, and that's just in the U.S. So imagine the rest of the world. If it's growing and growing fast across the U.S., it's growing fast everywhere. And these guys have more than one trick. They easily can defraud you of money if you're not vigilant and careful. Make sure that you educate everybody around you. It's very important to do so. Like that, everybody's going to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.